So hello guys, today we will make risotto rice, right? So I already put in the pot 2 cubes of butter and a scale leaf of onion and this our risotto rice, and here I took 500-gram chicken broth. And I would like to let you know guys, this rice also 500 gram and that chicken broth also 500 grams, so both should be equal amounts. So it's already saute guys, right? So now I will put this chicken broth because our rice already has been warm it. So it's time to put this chicken broth. You can see how I am putting this chicken broth, and now we will stir continuously. We will stir it because when you will stop to stir it, so because of the starch of this rice, it can be sticky. So you can see our rice has been almost done because all the broth has been reduced by the rice. So it's time to put in a flat tray. So I would like to let you know guys, my this risotto rice has been done already. I'm just putting on the flat tray. Why I'm putting? Because it's for the a la carte order, right? So I will spread it. And why I'm spreading, I would like to let you know, because when I will spread it, so it will get very fast cool down, and I need to keep in a container also. So because of that, I'm spreading this all risotto rice. So this is the process guys, which we are following in a 5-star hotel. So I hope this video you will enjoy to how to make this risotto rice. So bye.